Yo, it's been about 20 minutes and the first order finally came in. Well, the first order that's somewhat decent. Everything that I've received so far has been like super high mileage for no reason. But we've got a Sherry's. This one's going to be $15 going 7.5 miles. Probably not going to be ready either, but like I said, it's the best thing that I've gotten so far.
I second that.
I saw that, yeah. That ain't canvas. Even says canvas.
Good morning. Anything interesting on that camera of yours? Have a good day.
That could be a good thing unless you run a red light or something.
Pretty sure this is right up here. Got the next order right away. This is gonna be for McDonald's. $11 going 5 miles. Next up, we've got a stack, looks like going to the same person. Kitchen Table Cafe and Starbucks, $9 going just under 3 miles. If I had to guess, this one is gonna be a bit of a wait. Mainly the Kitchen Table Cafe, because I got it as soon as I was pulling up to it. And I highly doubt it's gonna be ready. Okay. Perfect, thank you. All right, what are we picking up here? We got one drink. It is an iced pumpkin cream chai tea latte.
Sorry.
Next order up, we've got a Starbucks. This one is gonna be $7.75 going 4.5 miles. Thank you.
Doordash for Elena. Thank you.
Just got the next order. This is gonna be for IHOP. $8 and some change going about 4.5 miles. No parking anytime, huh? Guess that doesn't apply to some people. Thank you. Next order up, we've got a 7-Eleven. I believe this is alcohol. This one is going to be $8 going 2.5 miles. I'm right next to the store, so I'd say it's about a 50-50 whether it's ready or not. Thank you. And then just scrub on that line for me. Good enough for me. Next up, we've got a Sherry's. This one's gonna be $11 going 5 miles.
I think we have some in this. I don't know if this is weird to give you, but I just thought I just see your phone real quick. And here you go. Have a good day.
You as well. Of course, it's upstairs. Always upstairs. Oh, I got the next order right away. This is gonna be for muchas gracias. $7 going 2 miles. Thank you. got this Taco Bell, $7 and some change, going less than 2 miles. This might not even be open. It's very low mileage, so I might as well give it a shot anyways. Okay, I see cars in the drive-thru, so probably open. Whether it's ready, that is a different question.
Alright, they are getting it worked out. It's almost finished.
Gotcha, thank you.
Steve, do you want a cup?
No, that's fine.
Okay.
Thank you.
Actually, I realized what the holdup is. We're waiting on some fresh eggs, so we are cooking some currently, so it might be a few minutes.
Okay.
You sure you don't want a cup now?
Let me see what you got first.
Okay, I have Pepsi products, no Dr. Pepper.
Ooh, no, that's fine. Thank you though.
I have orange juice too. Milk.
Is it like a bottled orange juice? I'll take one of those.
Okay, I'll grab it.
Thank you so much.
This is for you. And I snuck one in their bag too for the weight, okay?
Oh, thank you so much.
Eric, I'm so sorry about that, mate. Thanks so much for your patience.
Somehow was one of the most generous Taco Bell experiences I've had. Of course, it's upstairs. Next order up, we've got a Jack in the Box. This one's gonna be $8, going 3 miles. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Finally got an order. We've got a shop and deliver for Safeway. $11, going 4 miles, only 2 items. Muffins?
Muffins?
Yeah, blueberry muffins.
Hang on a sec. Okay, so there's none there. We do have some fresh blueberry muffins today, but it'll be a bit.
Okay.
Give us like 20 minutes at most, or 10 minutes at least. They still have to. They're still cooling off a bit.
Okay. Yeah, I don't have 20 minutes to kill. If they had more stuff to shop for in that order, I probably would have kept it. But seeing as it was only 2 items, I don't think that would have been worth it. Luckily, I got my next order right away. This is going to be McDonald's, $7, going less than 2 miles. Considering what time it is, this place is suspiciously dead. There's nobody here.
Thank you.
Next up, we've got a Starbucks. This one's $8 and some change, going 2.5 miles. All right, it is getting pretty hot and I am not wearing anything under this hoodie, so kind of struggling right now. So I think I'm gonna call it. Current time is 11:50. Current total is 103. And I have like 4 Uber tips yet to come in, so honestly, I have no idea what the total is gonna be at the end of the day. Maybe 115-ish, maybe 120-ish, who knows? And that is gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.